smile and a new future at operationsmile.org.
A tasty duet of two treats in one. Don't you worry, 'cause we got it. Dr. Pepper and cream soda. At ProPlan, nutrition is full of possibilities to improve your pet's life. We're redefining what nutrition can do, because the possibility of a longer life and a healthy life is the greatest possibility of all. Purina ProPlan, nutrition that performs.
ProPlan Live Clear, a breakthrough. 10 years in the making that reduces allergens in cat hair and data. Outstanding
He likes
nutrition
phones.
with the
We'll
power
try to
to
grab
change
it.
lives. This is Purina ProPlan Live Clear.
60% of women are still wearing pads that leak. Really? Always Ultrasin with Rapid Dry absorbs 40% faster, with up to 100%
Look
leak-free
at that
comfort.
boy.
So
Look at the
everyone
surge
can
in
be
this
free.
guy.
Find your
Look at the
fit
surge
with
in these
always.
cheekies. You can't have the phone. That's not the babies.
Members of the Oak Island team are visiting the home of Steve Atkinson.
His head's almost as big as mine.
Of the 18th century
Yeah.
pirate, Captain James Anderson.
Oh, there you go.
Alex, sure. Yeah, here you go. They have just been shown an incredible artifact. A wooden chest once owned by Captain Anderson. And
That was
that
a
has been
big
passed
boy.
down through the Atkinson family for generations. This is so cool. Think this is it? Wow. Now, in this chest, right here, we'll find some documents you don't like.